So today we are going to cook honey garlic gobi, so which will be yummy. Firstly, we have to cut the gobi into the small pieces. So don't make it too small, make it to be for medium size. So you can see, so I've chopped one gobi into small slices. Now, so we have to add hot water to it, so that if any germs are there, so that can get cleared out. So just make sure to add hot water and keep it for 15 minutes. So I'm just adding the water. Okay, and then keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes, and keep it aside for 15 minutes. In meantime, so we are going to prepare the batter needed for frying the gobi. So okay, so firstly take 4 spoons of all-purpose powder. So I'm just adding 4 spoons of all-purpose powder, and then take the cornstarch. So cornstarch 2 to 3 spoons. So I'm going to take 3 spoons of cornstarch. Three spoons of cornstarch, and so we are going to add some required red chili powder. So depends on your spice levels, so you can add the red chili powder. I'm adding half a spoon of red chili powder, and salt as required. So I'm adding half spoon of salt, and then adding some ginger garlic paste. So a spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add some water to it and stir it well. Okay, add some water. Make sure you add very little water, because the cornstarch will give you, it will become too waterish if you add more water. So adding a pinch of food color, so that the gobi color will be red. So just taking a pinch of food color. Now mix it well. Need a little more water. Adding more. Stir it well. Mix it properly and make sure there are no lumps. So now the flour is ready, and then we are going to make a deep fry, and later on we'll be using all this onion, garlic, and spring onions, and so we'll have to add honey as well to make our honey garlic dish. 10 minutes we have drained out all the water from the gobi, and take few pieces of gobi and then dip it into the batter. So okay, some at a time. So now what we are going to do is, like, we will dip them in the oil, and then we can add few more later on. Okay, into the oil. Make sure the oil is heated in the medium flame, and drop them into the oil. Be careful while dipping into the oil. So you can see that they are turning into good color. So make sure it gets fried properly. So the gobi is fried. Take them out. So it's crispy fried. So make sure to take it into it. So mixed well with the remaining items and then dipping the second round into the oil. Taking out. So make sure, yeah, it's crispy fried. So turn off the flame. Now we will be frying this with honey and garlic. So now we are going to add some oil to it. So make sure 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 finely chopped onion. French onion or red onion, anything is fine. So we are adding finely chopped garlic. So 10 pieces of garlic is chopped into small pieces. So add all of them. So we see now the onion is turning brown. So we are adding 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 1 spoon, 1 more. And then we are adding little tomato ketchup, a spoon or 2 of tomato ketchup. Mix it well. Let's add little salt to taste. Adding a pinch of salt. So we added salt already on the gobi. So here just add a pinch of salt. So now we will be adding 1 spoon of corn powder. Mix it well into the water. So mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Stir it well into the. Make sure it is well mixed with the water, and then pour the water. So this cornstarch will make the gravy juicy and it's a little sticky. So and now we have to add some. Our dish is going to be delicious with honey, so make sure to add so we are adding some honey. So 3/4 spoons of honey will give you an yummy taste. So stir it well, cook it for 3-4 minutes in the low flame, and then we can add the gobi. So now this is ready, so we can add the fried gobi into it. So just adding the fried gobi into it. So mix it well. Now you can see it's yummy. So honey garlic gobi is ready. So we are going to add some coriander leaves to it. And you can add some spring onions. So this makes our dish delicious. So honey garlic gobi is ready and it's ready to serve. So I'm sure kids will like the way it is. So because we added honey, so they will be liking it so much.